running system, blah, blah, blah. Let's put that on. Got the Y4 on deck. Come on. Because we're going to be trying this bad boy on. Right on camera. So, yeah. There we go. Getting his gloves on. Give you the best, you know. Give you the... Get in. Pow. Get this done. This is looking badass. If I do say so myself, this is looking badass, man. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely. Nice. Look at it. Look at it. Nice. I'm going to try this on foot. Let's see. Got the white socks on deck. Come on. Let me try this on. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Damn, this is in tight. Yeah, get out of here, man. Get out of here. See, the inside looks nice and cushioned. So, yeah. I love this, man. It says, pull me. Damn right I'll pull you. God damn it. Get it? Forget it. Nah, this is a snug fit, boy. Summertime looking ready. Let me get a second pair. Second pair right here. Oh, man. I mean, if I was to be running, I wouldn't mind running this stuff. It's nice. I added my own look to this pre-time because, you know, I'm like that. I like my own little things. Trainers from the back. I like it because the way I walk, I don't really get creases on my trainers like that. So luckily for me, I'm gonna be doing good with this. I'm gonna try this on with some trousers and see what other type of swags you can go with. That pulling thing actually helps, you know. Helps real well. Yes. Again, if you got your joggers on, it's like a little sporty wear kind of thing. So nice, lovely. Oh. Just, you know, walk in and out of the frame.
Try this trainer on foot. On foot, they look so nice, man. Especially with the way that I am. I'm quite active. I don't go to the gym, but you know, I run for the bus, run for the train. You know, living my average normal life. Like there's times where I need to run for whatever reason. But yeah, man, this is nice, man. It's got a bit of nice suede green over here, but not so like it's just a nice colorway, man. It's nice and subtle. It's like it's not too in your facey kind of thing. It's like just nice and subtle. Got that logo going through right here. Nice, man. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's got some leather right here. And it's on the other side as well. I think it's synthetic. This is more of real leather, but this leather, I don't know what leather it is. But it's nice. The RS running system. It says again, RS. Roll safe. I don't know what the X stands for. That's why I got stuck. But yeah, tongue has got this as well. And yeah, it's just pang, bruv. If you want that, go cut.